The story of the silent songbird. In an ancient forest covered in green and touched by morning mist, a small songbird lived among the tall trees. The sunlight filtered through the leaves and the bird's feathers reflected blue and gold. Each morning as other birds sang, the songbird sat quietly on a branch, feeling both hope and fear. The bird wanted to sing but hesitated. It wondered if its song would be as pleasant as the others or if it might make mistakes. These doubts were stronger than its desire to sing, so the bird kept its song hidden. The forest, usually full of music, seemed to wait for the sound that was missing. As time went by, the bird watched the seasons change. Flowers bloomed, rain fell, and the wind carried the songs of other birds. The songbird felt a growing wish to be heard and to share its own voice. One morning, as dew covered the leaves, a gentle breeze moved through the trees and seemed to speak to the bird. Your song is important, not because it is perfect, but because it is yours. The songbird was nervous but also hopeful. It gathered its courage and sang a single quiet note. The sound was small and unsure, but it was clear in the morning air. The forest became still, listening. Encouraged, the bird sang again, this time a little louder and with more confidence. Its song moved through the branches, unique and honest. The forest did not judge the songbird. Instead, the trees seemed to move with the music, the river sparkled, and other birds joined in. Together they created a harmony that was richer because it included the songbird's voice. The songbird learned that the world does not need perfect voices but values honest ones. From then on, it sang every morning. Its song became a gift to the dawn, showing that true expression comes from the courage to be heard. With the songbird's voice, the forest's music was complete.